I know you're going to love this because I do. 69 Ford Mustang, just absolutely beautiful, dressed in the John Wick colours. It is the John Wick car, not the car that obviously was in the famous film, but it is a replica of it. And wow, what a fantastic job this has had done to it. Obviously in this beautiful grey with the black matte stripes. Just have a look at the front of this. I mean, it is just powerful. If that doesn't scream out to your muscle car, you've got the deep spoiler, you've got the 4 headlights, which is only on the 69. In 70s, they went to little square ones, but that really has a fantastic presence, this car. It's absolutely stunning. Obviously got the hood tie downs as well, because it's got quite a huge engine in this as well. Great, got the Magnum wheel, still keeping that with the retro look to it. The Cooper Cobra tyres, 15 inches, looking absolutely beautiful. You've got all this chrome area here, which unfortunately has just started to spit a little bit, so it's not going to pick it up quite as well as we'd like, but absolutely beautiful. Have a look down the side of this car. Really straight, all the way down. Absolutely gorgeous, all the way down there. Beautiful, huge panels again, just really huge doors. This really is muscle car. I mean, this big chunk and slab, you're never going to get another one done on a modern car nowadays. But it's got the rear spoiler as well, which was an extra at the time. Huge gas cap, it blacked out rear valance with the Mustang lights. As you can see, from the 64s all the way through, they had these, and even in the late models, the 2022s, they still have that. But just look down the side of this car, it's absolutely stunning. This car's had a full restoration done on it, real massive upgrades. The interior is absolutely beautiful. New carpets, new headliner, new seats, the high back Mach 1 seats, 5-speed gearbox. Notice where the handbrake is. That's all been done to make it ease. Center handbrake is better than the one under the dash. Fabulous steering wheel on it. And let's have a look under the bonnet where it really does happen for this car. So let's have a look underneath the bonnet here. Here we go. Look at this. Now, if that is not impressive, I don't know what is. Beautiful crate engine, 5 litre, fuel injected, upgraded distributor, upgraded everything's alley rad, beautiful stainless steel hoses, power steering upgrade. It goes on and on. It's had shock absorber delete. It looks like it's got the Mustang 2 front end on it. Just wow. This car has had a fortune spent on it and done superbly all the way through. I mean, this is a huge amount of money this car's had, really making it something special. And I would say it's one of the best Mustangs we've possibly had here. It's really that good a car. What we're going to hopefully do is stick it on the ramp in a minute. You can have a look underneath so you can see how the top was finished and how the underneath was finished. They've put this and matted it to a 5-speed Tremec. Just absolutely beautiful. This really is the John Wick car, and something that if you took to any show, in my opinion, the 69 is one of those cars that is going to continue to go up in value, because it really does epitomise muscle car, because the size of the car, the length. If you're a big guy, you can sit in one of these quite comfortably, and we sell quite a lot to Germany, where they seem to be huge guys, and they sort of, can get in it and you're comfortable, and you could literally drive this anywhere. It's got the modern 5-litre engine in it. It's not a Coyote, but it is a 5-litre fuel injected engine. It will have the performance and the fun that you really want for one of these cars. You could use this as your daily if you wanted to, because it will go on forever. It's just an absolutely fantastic piece of machinery. This really is gorgeous, and something that I think anyone would be really proud to own. And hopefully it's an investment quality, because it's had everything done to it. You come down, take it, enjoy it. I'd love to see this driving around the streets of London, at night would just look immense. Doing your best John Wick impersonation. Just something really worth coming down, having a drive. If you're in this market and your budget is within reach, then this is something very special and would cost a lot more than the price advertised to do it. So come down, have a look, see how you get on, and possibly get one of the best ones out there. It's that good. So I don't know if you can hear me over this Mustang gorgeous tone, but have a look in here, Grant. Look at the dash layout. Still got sort of original dash layout, but got this lovely neon look to it. Just beautiful. It even goes through to the clock, which is just absolutely fabulous. Beautiful steering wheel, wood rimmed. It's got the really upgraded hi-fi in it. It's a really powerful hi-fi that I don't know a lot about hi-fis, but it sounds magnificent. I mean, just what a car. I mean, I know we're going to have a look at it on the ramp now, so let's go and put it on the ramp and see what it looks like. told you it was something special under here, didn't I? And it really is. I think I made a mistake and said it was a Mustang 2 front end, but it looks like it's a Heights front end, which is obviously top quality stuff. As you can see, everything's been done underneath here. Have a look at these floors and everything else. I mean, just beautiful. I mean, the exhaust is a bit hot because we've just driven it in, but you can see here, you know, all the chassis is in absolutely superb condition. It's got frame strengtheners here, just so that when you're getting that power put down, you know, it keeps it nice and tight and solid. But the floors are absolutely beautiful. You can see there's a lot of work being done on this car. Unfortunately, it got a little bit dirty as it came through, which seems such a shame. Obviously, it's got the twin exhaust here scenario, so if you don't want to put it through the rear silencer, you can imagine the sound that will make by the flick of a button. But it's beautiful. Look at it underneath. It's stainless steel exhaust, new springs, chassis all looks absolutely fabulous. It really is in top condition. Someone spent a huge amount of money on this car. You know, new petrol tank, new springs. It looks like it's all been done really, really well. And someone has spent a huge amount of money getting into this John Wick look. I mean, unfortunately, they're a bit dusty, but other than that, beautiful, beautiful car. You know, you could ship this anywhere in the world, and whoever got to see it would be absolutely delighted when it got to the other end. So, if you want to be like John Wick, and if someone steals his car, you know what happened to him. So, you fell in love as much as we do with these cars, you'll get the same feeling. So, hopefully, we can sell you a car that really is something quite special. Worth coming down and looking at this just to say you've seen it.